Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard channel. This time we're taking you out to the Cruisin to the Creek car show out at Trout Creek Memorial Park. This was a good show, a big show. Probably wasn't as big as it could have been because it was kind of a soggy Saturday, kind of a little bit on the rainy side. In fact, it rained on us a couple times while we were out there. Not like heavy rain, but just like a little passing nuisance shower. But anyway, this is the car show cam. We're going to take you out and show you what the car sees at the car show, which, admittedly ain't a whole lot. But hey, we got to drive into the car show and you guys get the experience of driving into the car show. So that's what you get with this one. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. If this video is not your thing, skip on to the next one. We've got plenty of other videos from this event that are going to be coming along. So check out one of those videos if this isn't your thing. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
VW Bug, I'm sure it's headed the same place we are. Owen. We getting close?
Yeah.
Ain't no signs of it. It's right here though, huh?
Yep. I knew I didn't cross the bridge.
Yeah. Damn. Those are all showing.
Mm-hmm. We're parking with the show cars too, you know.
Okay.
Definitely gonna want to put a camera right there.
Mm-hmm. There's Goldie. Greg. Forrest thinks he's privileged. He's gonna go another way. Do they have a spot for the cruisers?
I don't know. I would assume so. Yeah, back over there.
Greg's seen us. Nice to be known, I guess.
Told you I'm famous.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I guess we're going down that one.
Yeah, I'm watching to see where that
Orange car.
Camaro was going.
Yeah. So where are you gonna park?
Well, I was thinking if there was a hole. Nope. Shit.
Pull up beside this Bronco.
There ain't room.
Yes. Well, right here.
No, there's not room there or there.
Okay.
Yeah, let's spin her around.
Yeah. Well, I thought you'd go that way, but okay.
Oh, I can go that way. Shit. I didn't realize that was open there.
Looks like it is to me.
It is. I just didn't realize it was. I could park right by the white truck there.
Yeah. Or is there something on the other side of the blue? The chairs are probably in the way.
Yes, they are. That's why I didn't go there.
Yeah.
They probably want to leave that open.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why don't I just park by this tree?
Okay. Well, I thought you were going to park right here anyway.
Well, I wasn't sure.
Yeah. Let's hope he don't get your spot. No, he's going further. And you say there's not room between the black car and the tree.
No.
Okay, then park behind the Bronco.
I wouldn't do that.
Yeah. He could have pulled further up. Kept the line straight. Oh.
There's a hole there.
Yeah.
So he called a meeting of the Philadelphia owners of McDonald's. He said there's got to be a better way to do this. You know, 3 years of sleeping in a chair next to my child. There's got to be a better way.
So where are you going?
Right
got
here.
together with
Okay,
them, they had
here.
a big meeting. They
Trying to get off of his damn line.
Yeah.
And the green color for the Philadelphia Eagles. And the very first Ronald McDonald House was in Philadelphia. And they money from the proceeds of the Shamrock Shakes went to fund the very first Ronald McDonald House. And it was just...
Oh, so it's the aircraft tracker we were hearing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
To get the back window?
Yeah.
Okay. Not Corvette there. Damn, all the cars that were on that road gone.
Mm-hmm.
It's still standing. You just pull over between these two if you want to.
That's what I was planning. What?
I don't know. Potential spam. There's the Mustang Club leaving.
That's the body style Corvette that guy was talking about at Ely Cars and Coffee last night.
They gave that one person a warning for an expired tag. Plymouth?
Super B.
Are you sure?
It's a Roadrunner.
Oh, okay. It says Plymouth.
Same car. Alright guys, we just left the Cruising to the Creek car show. It rained on us on and off all day. So that kept some folks away, so it wasn't as big as it could have been. But it was still a good show nonetheless. We saw a lot of cool cars. So that's it for the weekend. That's all we had on the schedule for this weekend. The other event was Jacksonville Mopar's Trunk or Treat and Hocus Pocus movie night. We ain't making it to that. It ain't happening today. So we're gonna head on home. On the schedule for next week, we got Okefenokee Festival in Folkestone, Georgia. We're gonna go out to that. And then the week after that, we got the Isle of Eight Flags car show in Fernandina Beach, Old Town Fernandina Beach, that we're going to go out to. So, and then I think the weekend after that, which is the 25th, we're going to go, oh boy, that one's going to be a double header day, because we're going to go to Adamak Harley Davidson's Trunk or Treat in St. Augustine, and then we're going to go down to Mustangs at Daytona at Daytona International Speedway. Everything working out ideally in that case. But that's what's on the schedule for the next 3 weeks. I think there's a burnout contest the week of the 25th, and I don't know the date on that one, but it's like a Wednesday or Thursday night. We're going to try to make it down for that, but we don't know if we're going to make it or not.
All right,
we've tried the last 2 years and ain't made it.
From the Cruisin to the Creek car show at
we'll
Trout
see
Creek
what
Memorial
happens.
Park. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed ourselves at the show, and we want to bring that to you guys through this channel, and so you can see what happens at the shows and what you're missing out on if you couldn't make it or if you're at another show or whatever. Because I know there's more shows than I can get to, so I have to pick out what shows I want to go to. And a lot of times, some shows just, you can't make it. There's no way to make it happen. So I try to cover these as many different shows as I can so you guys can see them and, you just get the experience of being there without actually having to be there, or you couldn't make it or whatever. Anyway, so that's going to wrap up this week's car show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please drop us a like, a comment, share us around, and if you really enjoyed it, hit that little subscribe button. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We're trying to get to our initial monetization goal. We're over halfway. We're at 298 or 300. So it'd be great to get that. And that would help us grow and keep going. And maybe go to some further out shows if we get some gas money from it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just had a brain fart there for a second. It just completely dropped out on me. Anyway, so we'll see you guys out at whatever the next show is we're out at. So, enjoy.